But of course, as was mentioned here, you have also the option of fish that you can grow. You can grow fish and then use that for your local population. Although more than 5 million people live on fish food today, we waited for the climate change. Because of our vulnerabilities. We are seeing the acidification of and it is also a problem which is hurting the sea. Is going to affect your life, it's going to affect our planet, it's going to affect the fish that you need to live on, to fish, to eat. Can I say something on that as the last part? We need to have a dialogue with the ocean. We need to see with the ocean, discuss and see what you can take from the ocean to be able to sustain yourself and live, and what you have to leave with the ocean for the ocean to be able to continue to generate life for our planet. It's a dialogue. You know, in our islands, we seem to be able to talk to the ocean, to dialogue with the ocean, and we seem to be together and understand one another. And I think more people should try and develop this understanding and this dialogue so that we can have sustainable development, not only for the ocean, but for the earth, and save the only home that we have in this universe.